Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make marshmallows pudding step by step. First, gather all ingredients and tools so you can work smoothly. Bloom gelatin in cold milk while you measure sugar and vanilla. Warm the remaining milk gently and dissolve sugar fully without boiling. Whisk in bloom gelatin and fold in marshmallows for texture. Pour into a greased dish and chill until set before serving. Bring your warm milk sugar mixture to the right temperature, not a boil, so it stays smooth and glossy. Remove from heat and whisk in the bloom gelatin until completely combined and silky. Add vanilla now for aroma and immediately fold in marshmallows so they soften into clouds. Pour into molds or a pan while slightly warm to prevent premature setting. Chill thoroughly until the pudding holds its shape and feels slightly. After pouring, cover the pudding and chill in the fridge to set properly. Patience matters for the best texture. When set, loosen edges gently with a knife and invert onto a plate or spoon out into bowls. Toast a few extra marshmallows or sprinkle chocolate for a fun finish that brightens each spoonful. Serve chilled and enjoy creamy, airy bites that blend marshmallow sweetness with a smooth custard base every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.